Hey there! Today I'll show you how to run AI vision models on Android with Termux, LLaVA and Ollama. We'll cover Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, and more. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Termux from F-Droid. Not Google Play. Grant storage access with Termux Setup Storage. Update packages, package update and package upgrade Y. Step 2. Install Ollama with one line, curl fssl https://ollama.com/install.shsh. This auto-detects ARM64 and configures everything. Step 3. Pull a vision model, Ollama pull LLaVA. LLaVA runs vision language models that can see and describe images. Model size 4-7 GB depending on variant. Step 4. Run vision inference, Ollama run LLaVA. Then describe an image with /path/to/photo.jpg. What do you see? The model analyzes the image locally. Step 5. Integrate into workflow, use Ollama run LLaVA for OCR, image captioning, visual QA. All offline, private, zero API costs. That wraps up today's tutorial. If this helped, subscribe to LLaVA for daily AI on Android guides. Get the complete ebook at lawalfatikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.